So hello people from the internet. So for today's video is maglalaro tayo ng Blameless. This is horror game din ata ito ulit. So kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please click the like button and subscribe and open mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong video. So, okay. Simulan na natin to. Tingnan natin kung nakakatakot pa to. New game. Tingnan natin.
I'm an architect, freelance, so I take job offers as they arise. So when this guy called me, I was relieved I could finally get a paying job. He said he needed help with interior design for his house that he was building. I always respected people who can do construction, so I naturally agreed to come and take a look. I already had a couple of ideas. It was already quite late, but he insisted on me coming over the same day. I tried to comply because I didn't want to lose this offer. I drove there with my car. His house was all the way over in the suburban area, quite remote, but with other houses nearby, quiet place. The man met me at the front gate. It was a temporary fence, and the gate was made of rotting wooden planks. He started showing me around the yard. It seemed weird that there was a large garbage container blocking the way, so we had to go through the garage to get inside the house. He took me through the rooms, so I started looking around. At one point, I saw a stain, and at first glance it seemed like brick dust. But then I realized it was blood, spilled on the floor. I thought that maybe there was another worker who got injured, so I turned to tell the man. That's when I saw his hand raised to hit me. He was holding a metal rod. Before I could defend myself, he hit me in the head. I must have passed out. I don't know how long I was out. When I woke up...
Dang. Sabay loading. Okay. Press enter to continue. Ooh. Dapat tumakbo ka na kasi nung nakita mo yung blood eh.
That hurt.
Yun. Akala ko may nakatayo dun. Ay, ano to? Press B. Saan yung B button? Layo. Okay, may sira akong cellphone. Saan ko gagamitin to?
The phone is smashed. No way it's gonna work anytime soon.
So, nasa loob tayo ng warehouse. So, anong gagawin ko dito? Wait lang.
I might be able to get further through the attic.
Need natin ng hagdanan para makapunta sa attic. Uy, may sprint! Parang delikado to mayroong sprint eh. Kaya habol ata sa atin dito ah. Bakit may sprint? Ano yan? Okay, wala. Ay.
This bloodstain does not look like it's the result of a banal injury. It seems fresh. The blood hasn't completely dried out yet. This looks like something was being dragged across the bloodstain.
Okay. So, pwede ba lumabas?
I can't get further through here. There's no door handle.
Ayun
Why would
lang.
he hit me and then lock me in here?
Kailangan ko ng door handle. Saan ko kukunin yan? Ito. Tapos lagay natin dito. Ayun. Oh, meron palang ganyan. Merong hammer. Okay, anong gagawin ko sa hammer? Okay,
I should bend the rod, but it's too tough to do by hand.
Okay. Kaya merong hammer. Ayaw naman gumana ng hammer.
I should bend the rod, but it's too tough to do by hand.
Okay pa, may ibang purpose tong hammer. Hanger? Hammer. Hammer kasi. Baka may ibang purpose to. Let's see. Tingin-tingin tayo ba. Okay, wala nang kung ano dyan. Pwede ko pa ito i-hammer na lang. Wait lang ba? May pwede akong agis mo. Wala! Wala pa. May pwede akong... Ayun! Sabi na nga ba eh. Yan natin yung dito. Ayun! Nice! Meron na tayong ano. Lit ko na lang. Ayun, bawal. So baka may ibang purpose naman to. Ito. Dali natin yung hammer. Baka may paggagamitan to dun.
Shit, it's dark. What the hell was that? There we go.
Wait lang, baka may something dito na pwede kong magamit. Let's explore a bit. Explore lang natin ng konti. Parang wala naman. Okay. Trap natin to. Oops. Parang granny ba to? What if titrap ko yun? Ito lang tayo. Okay, silip. Ano yun? Wallet dito to.
A library card belonging to Helen Woodward. How did it get here?
Okay, hindi to atin. Pero sa akin na yun. Okay, kunin pa rin natin itong hammer. Just in case na kailanganin natin. I think... Okay, merong cutter dito. Wait lang, pwede ko ba ito kunin? Hindi. So may cutter dito. Couch lang tayo. Yun. Wait lang, mag-ano muna tayo dito. Tingin-tingin muna tayo. Sa sound ako natatakot eh.
It's holding with the wires.
Okay. Dito mo magagamit yan.
The wire cutters are broken. The
Ay!
hinge on that handle should attach, but it's missing.
Ano ba yun? Papahanapin mo pa ako ng gano'n. Iwan ang cutter. Wala, sira na ba pala? Okay, so kailangan natin hanapin yung ano nung cutter na to. There's something. Para saan to? Ito, may ano dito. Ay, saan ko to gagamitin? Ay, drop mo muna yun dyan. May mahanap tayo. No. Pwede ko yung pulot. Ay, ito. Merong ano dito. Yun. Ayun. Ay! Bubon din rap. Dima screw.
The handle is not in place.
The handle is not in place. Ayun, ito. Ayun. Nice. Nice. Lang, silip muna tayo. Yun. Nice.
It's holding with the wires.
May wire pa ba? Ayun. Okay. Next. May wooden plank. That it? Ayun. Wait lang. Maya na tayo lumabas. Kasi para saan tong hammer tsaka yung... Asa yung hammer? Oh no, nawala yung hammer. Nawala yung hammer. Wait lang. Oh no, nawala yung hammer. Oh well. Because hindi ko malalaman kung para saan yun. Nawala siya eh. Nawala yung hammer, yeah. Saan yung hammer? Okay, ito na lang dalhin natin. Tingin ko may something to.
Whoa. Shit.
Wait lang. Pasok muna tayo dito. Diyan pinatay yung ilaw, yeah. Okay. Hello? Ang dilim. Ano yun? Automatic? Sarado yung pintuan niya. Okay. May iba bang controller dito? Feeling ko wala. Okay, hindi ko siya mabuksan. Ano yan?
The fuse box opener is locked in the old house in my duffel bag.
Duffel bag. Okay, thank you sa clue. Okay, pili ko bababa talaga tayo na ito.
The dragging stain again.
Yeah. Anybody home? Okay, isang pinto ang bukas. Dito wala tayo. Saan dyan siya, no?
I don't like the look of that dark corridor. Let's see if the light switch is working.
Kahit ako din, hindi ko rin gusto eh.
Better.
Okay. Ooh. 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 Nagbabago yung toing. Yun oh.
What the hell?
Pwede ko tupusan, bawal. Ay, yung katawan, pre.
Shit, she's dead.
Yee! Can I take that?
It's the address of this house. Was she invited here too?
Yeah, tas tayo na yun next. Boy. Tas dito
It's dust, similar to what I found upstairs on the floor. She was being dragged over here through the house.
patay na yun, di ba? Baka bigla pa kasing tumayo yan eh. Yun. Pwede yun. Ayun, may flashlight. Kaso, walang battery. Ay, huh? Okay, I guess. Oh. Okay. Something in here. May something pa dito na pwede kong galawin. Piling ko nasa malapit lang siya kasi dahil sa sound eh. Wala na ba? Wala na ba? Yun lang pa. I think yun lang. So, anin na natin yung susi. Maya na yan. Okay, ayaw pa din. Para dito nga tayo. Ooh. Okay, nakalabas na tayo.
Finally out of the house.
Kaso, di pa ata ito talaga ilabas eh. Lang baka may something dito na pwede kong gamitin. Pwede ba pumalag sa kalaban? Pwede dito, talon na ako dito. Wait, kahit tumalon na lang ako dyan. Ano to? There's something here. May something ba dito na pwede kong gamitin? Ito. Oh. Yun na yun. Sira ata yan.
More dark rooms.
Sabay, ganun yung ano, tugtog eh, no? Kalig din eh. Nga lang, aayos ako ng upo. Nagpapawisan ako ng malamig ah. Okay. Ooh. May ano dito. May something dito.
Why is everything always locked?
Kaya nga eh. Kasi nilalak yan. Okay. Wala naman ng atang ano sa atin dito. Kailangan ko yung susi. Baka pwede ko ito buksan.
Locked.
Lock. Saan tayo? Wala namang doorknob yung iba. Wait lang, baka may something dito. Wala. Wala ba akong pwede i-interact dito sa labas? Okay, feeling ko wala naman. Wala naman doorknob to. Yeah, hanapan tayo dito, yeah. Okay, feeling ko may kailangan hanapin dito eh. Tapos di ko lang talaga makita. Balik na tayo dito.
No way going back through here. I don't even want to go back.
I don't want to go back. Di na ako babalik dito. Titingin tayo ng clues. Baka may nakaligtaan lang ako. Lang. Wala naman. Ito kasi ganyan lang yung bukas niya. Ito may metal rod dito pero wala rin siya gamit. Ito may nagdaanan na ganyan lang. Ay, ito. Ano to? Wala. Ito.
Locked.
Dapat ba ang gawin dito? Paluin ko na lang semento nyo. Paalisin nyo lang ako dito. Ayaw wala dito eh. Wala eh. Wait lang, may... Ito, kunin ko ako isa dyan, tapos panlaban natin dun. Wala nga naman. Wait lang, paano ko ba maano yung ano ko, inventory ko? Ayun. Ayun, to. Ayun. Wait lang. To. Wait. Ayun. Nice. Ito. Buksan natin. Ayun. Let's go.
Anything useful here? What's this?
Ayan, pito.
Ah, I believe this thing can open fuse boxes.
Ayun. Okay. Meron pa. May place oh. May flies! May hammer pa. Ba't kinuha mo yung hammer eh? Pang self-defense. Yun na nga ata. So, okay, buksan natin yung fuse box. Ay. Okay. Oh. Ay, yun yung kanina eh. Gagawin.
These are already on.
Mhm.
These are already on.
Then what? Ito.
Honey, if the circuit trips again, first turn on the RCD switch, the smallest one, and then the rest of them. The orange one last. Make sure you first hear a click after you turn the RCD on. It may take a couple of seconds, otherwise it will trip again. I need to take a look at this before we hand the keys over to the new owner.
Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you for the information. Ano daw? Smallest one. Ano ba yung smallest? Ito.
RCD 240. Test monthly. This switch looks important. RCD 240.
Okay.
Test monthly. This switch looks important.
So yung smallest one.
These are already on. 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 RCD 240. Test monthly. This switch looks important.
Yeah, Sherlock. Huh. Edi ano pala yung off ko? The smallest one. Okay. Sira kasi cellphone natin eh. Wait lang, baka may something na magamit ako sa mga nakuha ko. I guess wala. Yung katawan. Already on na daw. Ito. Pwede ko pa ito buksan? Ayun, may nakaharang kasi. Kaya pala eh. Bobo ko naman. Ay. Okay, sarado natin para ayaw magsara. Okay. Oh.
13 July 2001.
Mhm.
Subject: Final reminder letter. Dear Mr. Hopkin, this is to inform you that according to our records, as of 12 July 2001, we still haven't received back the scaffolding or the 3 suspension ladders you borrowed from the Deirdre Construction stores on 7 June of this year. Please return the scaffolding within 14 days upon receiving this letter. Should you choose to ignore this appeal, we will be passing this matter to a collection company, which will be obliged to forcibly remove the scaffolding from your possession.
Yan kasi, di kasi babalik ng scaffolding. Hiram-hiram, di naman nagbabalik.
13 July.
Wala. Okay, may gamit pero wala akong magamit. Galing. Ito, may crowbar. Hindi ko rin makuha. Baka para mamaya to. Mhm. Ano bang... Wala eh. Wala tayong magagamit dito eh. Baka pwede mamaya. Wala. Kunin natin ito susi. Hindi pwedeng doon lang yun. Guys, wala na. Lang. Pwede ko pa gamitin yung susi eh. Baka may nakalak ditong ano, lang. Dito. Ito. Ito, pwede yan dito. Lang. Ito. Ayun. Kakalis lang nung lalaki, pre.
This is the way out.
Kakalis lang nung lalaki. Buksan mo to. Wait, nabubuksan nga. Wait lang, baka may something dito eh. Ayun, may ladder. Nice. Nice. Magagamit natin yan dito. Yun. Wait lang, pwede ako lumabas doon, tapos pwede din ako lumabas dito? Dito mo na lang ako padaanin niya. Huy!
Jesus!
Takbo! Ay!
Get away from me!
Layo po kaya!
There he is!
Yun o.
This is Lightwater Police. Stay where you are.
Huh.
You're under arrest.
Ba't ako?
Get down on your knees.
But I didn't do anything.
Get on your knees now. You are under arrest.
Bakit ako? Kasi trespassing?
This is what happened. He was chasing me with a rod in his hand. He must have hidden when he saw the police cars pulling up to the gate.
Mr. Malcolm, we searched the yard thoroughly and didn't find any evidence suggesting there was another man.
No. He was there. He was the owner who called me.
The former owners sold the house due to personal financial problems 2 weeks ago. They moved to a different town on the other side of the country. The private company who owns it now proved all their employees were off-site, having a team building activity that night.
Ano yun? Ako lang
How
yun
could you
nandun.
not find evidence of him? I'm telling you, he was there.
I heard you. Our officers got a phone call from one of the neighbors reporting lights coming on in the house and suspicious person moving on site. They gave us your description. They never saw another man.
How could that be? This doesn't make any sense.
Let's cut the crap.
What?
It does make pretty clear sense to me.
Ano yun?
I have to say that I
Ako lang-
honestly
ako
don't
lang yun.
believe any part of your bullshit story that you're giving me here. Everything suggests that you murdered that woman.
No,
You found the victim's blood on your clothes and your hands. You had the victim's wallet in your pocket.
Wait.
And the officers caught you fleeing the crime scene. You, no one else. Guess whose fingerprints match the ones we found on the victim's body? Huh?
Damn, naano ako. Ay, naano siya, tag nito.
I don't know why you murdered that woman, but I'll guarantee you're never getting out.
Na-frame
You're
up.
going down, Mr. Blameless.
Na-frame up pa, kuya. Na-frame up siya. Eh. Wow. So, yun yung game. And, maganda siya. Kaso lang, ikli lang. So, thank you sa panonood and see you in my next video. Sana naman is nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!